Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be showing you how to make this wonderful ingredient or raw material for your skincare. So have you ever wondered what is the ingredient which makes the Korean skincare product so viral? And it is a very simple ingredient, but you will be very astonished to know that it is easily available in India. This is the Centella asiatica or Indian pennywort, which they use as the raw material, one of the raw materials for making the Korean skincare products. This particular ingredient has been a game changer for skincare industry. It has not only helped boost their sales, but also it has done its job. That is, it has made sure that this Korean skincare products work on the consumers because it reduces inflammation, soothes sensitive skin, minimizes pores. It will also help to reduce breakouts or acne. So it's very simple to grow this. All it needs is some watering daily and shade. You can grow it in the pot also. It easily you can grow because it just needs one stalk and it will spread evenly on the floor of the pot or the ground. So this is how it is. You can just cut the stalk, cut the leaf, and use it for so many other purposes, not only for skincare or hair care. You can make soup out of this and have it. So that is there are immense health benefits also. So here I am just making a powder of this particular leaves. I've just collected a bunch of these leaves, washed it thoroughly, and I'm going to spread it on the floor just so that it can dry. It needs to be dried in the shade for at least 2 days, and it will turn crisp. You can make the powder. Make sure you have some sunlight inside the room only so that it can dry evenly without rotting. So if you put it in the sun, it will just become very dark and it will lose all its properties. So that is the reason you have to put it in the shade. So you can see here it has retained the green color of the leaves. So that is very important. After grinding it in a dry mixer jar, this is how it looks. You can sieve it and collect the fine powder and keep it separately, but here I have just ground it very fine, and I'm going to use this particular powder for so many benefits. So it's better to keep this powder ready, and in future videos I'll be showing you how to make use of this powder to make skincare or hair care. So this is very important ingredient for Korean skincare, that which you can do it at home. Those store-bought Korean skincare products cost it's very expensive. It costs too much. But if you have this plant, if you have these leaves, you can dry and keep it in the refrigerator and store it, and you can use it whenever you want. So I have got fine powder. I've just separated the coarse and the fine. I'm going to keep it separately. The fine powder can be used for soups, and the coarse powder can be used as a body scrub, etc. So if you have a plant like this, take it out, just grow it. It's very important now these days to grow your own food. Now here I am growing my own ingredient for skincare. So if you have such plants, keep it ready, keep the ingredient ready for future videos, so that I will be showing you how to make different skincare products using this particular ingredient, which is the Centella asiatica. So share this video if you like it, and if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.